Our success story this week takes us to a small city in Lake County, Indiana, that's making a heavy hauling commitment to a cleaner environment. With the help of Ozinga Energy and the South Shores Clean Cities Coalition, Hobart, population 30,000, recently installed compressed natural gas fueling pumps and built a new vehicle maintenance garage to support its growing fleet of CNG-powered trucks. Ozinga Energy itself is no stranger on going green with CNG.
We are actually in the process of converting many of our ready-mix concrete mixers over to compressed natural gas. And as of this year, all of our fueling stations are pumping renewable natural gas from a landfill.
Ozinga Energy's own Gary, Indiana plant displaces 165,000 diesel gallons with CNG annually. Its goal for 2025, replace 800,000 diesel gallons with CNG. On top of that, continue to inspire other fleets and cities like Hobart to see the cleaner light of CNG.